Step by step, how I made passive income with Binance Earn, my real strategy. Want to make your crypto work for you? In this video, I'll show you exactly how I made passive income using Binance Earn. I'll break down the strategies, how I got started, how much I earned, and the mistakes to avoid. Let's dive in. So, what is Binance Earn? It's Binance's suite of passive income products. Think of it like crypto savings accounts. You deposit your coins and earn interest. Products include flexible savings, locked staking, auto invest, and BNB Vault. Some are super safe, others offer higher yield but come with more risk. Let's break them down. When I first started, I allocated just $500 to test the waters. I divided it like this: $200 into flexible savings, $150 into a 60-day locked staking, $100 into auto invest for BTC, 50 into BNB Vault. Setup is easy. Go to Binance Earn, pick a product, select your coin, and hit subscribe. That's it. I started with flexible savings for stablecoins like USDT and BUSD. The APY was around 3 to 5%. Why I like it? Withdraw anytime, no lockup. Great for idle funds. Downside? Yields are low and fluctuate daily. Next, I tried locked staking. I chose DOT and ADA for 60 days with 0.8 to 12% APY. Benefits: higher returns, fixed rate. But there's a catch: your funds are locked, and early redemption costs your rewards. I recommend using coins you hodl long-term. My favorite tool? Auto Invest. I set it to buy $10 worth of BTC every week automatically. This is called dollar cost averaging, DCA. Buying small amounts regularly to reduce volatility risk. You can customize frequency, amount, and coin. I treat it like a crypto savings plan. For my BNB, I used BNB Vault, which combines multiple yield sources: launch pool, savings, and staking. It's low effort and flexible. Then I experimented with ETH 2.0 staking. Rewards are higher, ETH 3.5 to 5%, but your ETH is locked until withdrawals are fully supported on-chain. Mistakes I made: locking coins I needed for trading, chasing high APYs without checking risks, ignoring lockup periods. Lesson: only stake what you can forget. Also, check product terms before subscribing. Read the fine print. So after 90 days, here's what I earned. Flexible savings: $3.20. Locked staking: 40 cents. Auto invest: portfolio appreciated by 7%. BNB Vault: $4.60 in BNB and launch pool tokens. Total passive income: 20 plus from a $500 test. Pretty decent for zero effort. If you're serious about building passive income with crypto, Binance Earn is a solid start. Here's the game plan. Use flexible for idle funds, stake long-term coins, auto-invest to DCA, smartly avoid locking what you need. Ready to try it? Smash that like button, subscribe, and drop your Binance Earn questions below. Like this video? Hit subscribe and turn on the bell for more passive income strategies using Binance, crypto tools, and DeFi. Got questions or results to share? Drop them in the comments. I reply to everyone.